buildings and the cities.
Good morning, Hamburg. So, this is our last day. Kaya nag-empake na ako. Dahil wala dito yung partner ko kasi nasa training. Last day na lang ngayon. So, mamayang hapon, aalis na kami. Then, our next destination ay ang ano ba tawag nito? Amsterdam. So, mga 5 to 6 hours drive siguro ulit. Ready ko na to yung mga bagahe namin. Na-ready na namin to kagabi. So, ito yung mga ginamit lang namin for today. Mga pang winter and shoes. So, okay, ready na ang lahat. Ayun, ready na ang lahat. Clear naman na ang lahat. Antay na lang natin si Darling. Kasi before 12, mag-check out na kami. Kailangan namin dalhin yung mga gamit namin sa Goodbye, Hamburg. And see you soon. Where's that? Boys and girl. We have fridge, so we can put our drinks. One more. We are ready to explore the Amsterdam.
Yes, let's see Amsterdam. This is downtown. The buildings and the bridge and everything. This is downtown.
Part B. Here's the part B. Scan QR code to the parking. Your QR code. Oh, automatic.
See?
Wonderful.
New parking already before.
They have a lots of bikes here, everywhere.
Short, how short?
Let's see. Let's check. Lollipop?
Lollipop with Cannabis.
You want cannabis lollipop?
Only one side. Only that side.
So you can just pay here and then
Vegan. Vegan.
wanna try? Okay.
The creamy made of fresh blend and Dutch beer. Ah, I think it's good.
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
€3, right? Okay. Let's buy the first food. Check this one. Oh, wait, this one, right?
Okay. And then pay.
No. What? Apple
Up the bot.
Okay. So,
Oh! Hot dog. Okay, we'll just take one. Alright.
apple bar.
Okay. Take it. It's hot, no?
This is our breakfast. Enjoy it. Self-service.
Self-service food.
Food. Fast food.
We're not in a hurry.
This view. Oh, that's so huge, this, huh?
Yes, macaron.
White croissant.
Oh, they are good. Verona. Oh my god.
This open market. This is real food.
Yes, it's real one. You see that? It's like a bulb.
Christmas Amaris.
Oh, you see the tulip? That's fake one. Don't touch, not for sale. They're crazy about dogs.